All right, hello everyone. This is a portfolio update for today, and perhaps unsurprisingly, today was a red day, and I didn't make a video yesterday, but I believe that was also a red day, if I'm not mistaken. Is it March? It's March 18th, right? Yeah. So, well, actually, no. Never mind. March 17th. Yeah. It was. I mean, it was kind of like the same actually as it was yesterday for a little bit, but then in the end, at the like near the end of the trading day, or in the later half, I should say, it did kind of turn into a green day where we did see like a big spike up yesterday, where at one point at around like noon yesterday, we were up like over $800 at this point. It's a little over 7.5%, but it all kind of like came crashing down today. But I will still say though, we are still up 3% for the week. So yeah, $300. Let's see, for the month we are down 7.21%. And for like my all-time gains, um, yeah, for like my all-time gains, I am down a little under 15.5%. So, like I said, today was a red day, and overall, I was down about $500 today. Things were a little green in the after hours portion, but it was only like $60, about a little over half of a percent. So nothing too crazy. Um, Oh, I do know that Realty Income's next dividend will be slightly higher than the first dividend that I got. So they did announce a dividend hike. About like maybe like a couple of days ago, might have been like on Tuesday or Monday, I think. Um, but yeah. So as you see here in that amount per share, where it says like 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe it's now like maybe like 23.5 per share. I think I can't remember exactly. When I think like in maybe like 2 weeks, when this pops up again, I'll show you guys. But yeah, Realty Income did have a dividend hike though for its next dividend, so I'm definitely not complaining about that. And in my other brokerage that I put real that I purchased shares of Realty Income in, my dividend for that was $7.50. I can't show you guys because I'm not on the brokerage right now, but just take my word for it. So, other than that, though, it was, you guys can kind of see it right here. It basically was all red, except for AMC, which, in case any of you guys aren't sure or don't know, AMC will be reopening about, I think it was like 98% of its locations. Let's see, it was something like that. AMC is going to be opening, well, they're planning to open like the majority of their locations at this point, close to 100%, I believe. So, as you might expect, that definitely is good news. So, in that sense, we actually did get some slight growth with AMC today, up about 44 cents, and even some in the after hours portion too, actually like 22 cents. Yeah. So, let's see what else. Ooh, Jumia. Yeah, I look at Jumia and wow. Oof. Dang. Man, I'm telling you, I don't know what it is, but like with Jumia and Neo specifically, when they fall, like they fall hard. Kind of like Poshmark, actually. Like wow, that was a just look at this. This is such a steep dip. Like, man. Ooh, that's kind of, I mean, that's definitely not, it's definitely not encouraging to look at, but look, Amazon of Africa, give it time. Who knows? Look at that. Look, I mean, only 8 analysts, but 75% of them say hold. So, you know, long term, definitely long term is the key for sure. Let's see. Oh yeah, Afria. Something special going on with Afria, so that with Afria in particular. They are going to be merging with Tilray. So I think it'll be within the next couple months, actually. And basically, for shareholders, it means that I think there'll be some stock. There'll be like some partial stock splits, I think, for Afria. And then you'll also be getting shares of Tilray as well. I can't remember exactly, but I believe that's like the gist of it. But yeah, um, definitely looking forward to see how cannabis stocks progress through this year. And there was a little piece of interesting news about like us this bear market, and it was actually about the interest rates, and it was talking about how the Fed is gonna keep interest rates down to zero, or they're gonna keep them low, I should say. I don't know about necessarily at zero, but they're gonna keep them low until 2023. So I look at that and I go, wow, okay, that's pretty nice. Um, yeah, any fears about, potentially more price drops coming? I mean, we'll see what happens. But yeah, I mean, definitely when interest rates stay low, stocks in general tend to go up. And when interest rates are high, stocks in general tend to go down. So, I'll take it, right? I will take it. I'm not going to be complaining about that. And, hopefully by the time that interest rates do start going substantially back up to pre-COVID levels, hopefully at that point, there would have been all shit companies that you own would have had some natural growth to them, and that you would have been able to you would have been able to make some growth and some profit off of it, and some unrealized capital gains on it. But yeah, that is about it for today. Though we'll see how Friday is. Yeah, that is it for today. Bye bye.